Yo YouTube, how's it going? I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. So this will be, I guess, the first real recording with my new camera. So this video is kind of an unboxing. Let me just grab the box here. And I'm not going to show you what is on the picture of the box, but this is the box. It's relatively big. I've been looking forward for this for a little while. Quick little background on this: I ordered this about a month and a half ago on eBay, and it said it wasn't supposed to arrive till like later this month, so it arrived like almost a month early, which is pretty sweet. I actually ordered some other things off eBay before I ordered this product, and this showed up first, which is random but awesome. So I'm pretty stoked. Let's start unboxing this thing and see how it looks. Alright, so this is going to take a little more space than I'd hoped, so we're going to do this on the ground, just because I don't have the space anywhere else. So like normal, I'm probably just going to cut my face off for this process and show you guys the box itself. It is loaded with tape, so it might be a bit of a process. Anyways, got the knife with my name on it, and let's get started. Alright guys, so if you didn't get a good eye of what these are kind of like the daytime running light LEDs that go around the fog lights for the 3rd gen Mazda 3. I'm super stoked about these. I will give you guys a good look at what they actually look like. Like I said, I'm pretty stoked. Hopefully they fit really well. You never really know with aftermarket parts, and hopefully it's fairly easy to wire up. I mean, I do have a decent background for wiring stuff, so it's not a big deal, but let's hope for the best. Anyways, I'll show you guys what exactly we're dealing with. Alright, so right here we have the bus system that is going to connect. I guess this is going to be your power line here. You got the power to kind of the bus that's going to control the lights, and then you've got a plug for, I'm assuming is what is each light. One's obviously for a close side, that's why this wire is short. This one's going to go all the way across the front of the car to the other side. Next up on this list of things are the two lights themselves. So these, they're kind of wrapped up. These are the lights. I'm probably going to paint this chrome part black just because I hate chrome. The thing about these is they're switchback as well as dimming, so I can have them so they're on, and then when my headlights come on, these dim a bit. Like the LED strip part dims down a bit, and then whenever I activate a turn signal for each side respectively, they will blink the amber color as well. For anybody who's looking to buy anything like these, they're really easy to find on eBay. I picked them up for about $85 US. I think it was, no, it might have even been less than that. It might have been like 75, because I think I got them for about $95 Canadian. I can put some links down in the description. There's also a few off Amazon that are a little more expensive. They're about $130, but they'll definitely ship faster, and I always find Amazon's just a little more reliable for sources. So yeah, let's open one of these up, get an idea of what it looks like without the wrapping, and I'll do a separate video for the install just because it's probably going to be a fairly lengthy process, especially with all the electrical I'll be doing. Alright guys, so there we have it. So like I said, if you order off Amazon, you might find like a little better quality. I don't know if I'll be able to pick it up, but there is like a little bit of a scratch slash whatever. I feel like that's probably where they broke the plastic off when they created the molding. And this right now is going to get popped out to fit my fog light, goes in here. And this chrome piece I'll probably paint over black. Anyways guys, I'm super stoked to install these on my car. Hopefully it's not going to be a complete pain in the ass, but look forward to that video coming up next. It should be, maybe I'll do this and that video in the same week, just because I feel like uploading just unboxing these is kind of unfair. Anyways guys, this has been Rain City Cars. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and peace out.